you informed court that you had video, you had cameras in your house. And that you had computers and flash disks which had some computers and flash disks. You also informed court that the police conducted a search at your place. And they took the flash disks and the computers and your cameras from your home. Do you still confirm the same? I therefore have a copy of the search report for identification to confirm whether you know about the properties in this. Are you aware of that search report or certificate? Search report okay. About it, but it happens to be that there is a second one. Is there anything in particular you know about that? What do you watch and you may talk to know the Shamirah. There is a signature for Shamirah. Who's Shamirah? Shamirah. Mukyala. The wife. What else? Change that. You're saying the flash disks that they took from the house? Okay. Change that. And these other personal belongings. Thank you so much. CCTV camera the CCTV camera there on the monitor. Reports dated 3rd September. The search report dated 3rd September 2022 as defense exhibit. The 3rd of September is given as defense exhibit marked DEX1. So this would be 13. Most of them. Sipapa, you further informed us in the report. Some season, your wife had given birth to a baby. Do you confirm that? Sorry? Which two? Okay. I have copies of the hospital documents for your confirmation. Please confirm. Yes. Is there anything that shows that you are aware of the treatment? What shows? Okay. Mukyala, Shamirah. The wife's name, Shamirah. Thank you so much. The do they also show the date of birth of your child? Which date is that? And those documents also show that the child was premature. Your worship, I put the documents from Paragon Cosmic. The first document is the birth notification form, and the second one is the declaration of birth.
And the declaration of birth are created as defense. Good mark D exported.
Most of that cross-examination.
Were you present in all the 5 times that your name was asked?
saaliwo naye nga obutumu ebiri omukyala yeyaliwo ekisigadde basakinga tuli mukomera.
All the 5 times, him personally was not around, but 2 of them, the wife was around, and the rest, they were in prison already. Acted on 3rd September 2022. Were you already in prison or were you still out?
Sachi yakolebwanga 3 Ogwomwenda 2022 wali waka wali okyaliwo oba wali mukomera?
Yakolebwanga 3 nali Tororo nali Lubweru.
Out waliwe
Nali Tororo.
So where were you on that day when a search was conducted in your home and what was at home?
so wali luddawa mu kaseera ako oba ogamba nti waliwe sachi ewe yakolebwa mu makaago nali mukyala we yali ewa
Sachi ewe yakolebwa nze nali Tororo.
Baby who was born, whom the birth certificate and the birth notification form was tendered in court. What's the name of that child?
omwana ono ayitibwani agambibwa okubanga yazaalibwa n'ebikomugazi
Omwana bamuyita Ivy Kristo Anyango. Ivy Kristo Anyango.
Ivy Kristo Anyango.
Initially, you told court that Anyango was born in January 2019. Now you have brought for us a document that shows that she was born in October 2018. What explanation will you give me?
Tandika wagamba kooti nti Anyango yazaalibwa mu January 2019 naye ate katolese empapula eziraga nti yazaalibwa the date is
Initially said she was born in January 2019. Now we have a document that she was born in October 2018. So what
Tandika
explanation
kigamba kooti
is
nti
it?
yazaalibwa mu October 2018 so date kyetuufu
Omwana kati ngeri gyekisinze eyali yazaala omwana nze nagenda okukebera obulungi nabuza maama we mamwe n'agamba nti namuzaala kweyo deeti naye nze zijjukira olweyava mu ddwaliro January.
For him initially, since he's not the one who gave birth to the child, he knew that the child was sorry, the mother, he asked the mother confirmed that the baby was born in 2018 October, but for him, he was counting the date to which the mother left the hospital, which was 2019 January.
From October 2018 to January 2019, this child was admitted in the hospital. Is that what you want court to believe?
Kyogezako kugamba nti wakati wa October 2018 okutuusa nga January 2019 omwana ono yali mu ddwaliro.
Yabeerewo emyezi ebiri ennaku nga bbiri ez'ennaku yali.
That the child was in the hospital for an expectancy of 2 months and some few days.
Woman vandalized your motor vehicle and she said she was going to report it to police. You talked about a woman whom you claim came and vandalized your motor vehicle and promised to come and report you to police.
Tuwoyogerako ku mukyala eyageza eyayonoona emmotoka yo era
Your ex-girlfriend.
the ex-girlfriend nekiteeberezebwa nti yali agenda kutwala ku police.
Do you suspect that same ex of yours to be the person who reported the case of aggravated robbery against you?
Nti osuubiriza nti ex-girlfriend oyo ye yakuloopa omusango gwa aggravated robbery?
You don't suspect her?
Omusuubiriza? He doesn't suspect her.
Behind this case that we are handling before the court.
Omusuubiriza oba omuteebereza okuba emabega w'omusango guno tuli okukolako essaawa ze.
For USB, but the search certificate talks about 2 USB. And you went back to acknowledge that there were 2 USB. Where are you getting the extra 2 from?
Oyogerako nti USB zaali nnya naye ate ebbaluwa eraga ziri bbiri, so endala ebbiri ozigyawo.
Oba alabye endala nga talabye ne gimuwa.
That you might have made a mistake in the documents.
Okay, read how many USB. Let me just show you.
Flash discs.
Sinaba
Wezogererako.
kwogerawo ku USB ogyogera ku flash disk nnya era zino bwe ziri.
He has never talked about the USB, has always been talking about the flash discs.
Zino zizino wano nnya.
Okay, now that report doesn't tell us that there's any flash disk which police have taken.
Naye report eraga nti police terina flash discs. So you use it.
Okay?
Kwe-
I'm just letting you know.
zizino kwe
Yeah,
ziri.
eraga nti kweziri. But they are here.
On a daily basis on your flash disk.
Ekituukawo mu maka go obadde nga walinganga okirekodinga ku flash disk on a daily basis buli lunaku
Singa wabeerawo
okuva ku CCTVs.
singa wabeerawo incident yonna ebaddewo tukijjako tukiteekako.
But in case of anything, they remove them from the CCTVs to the flash.
The said incident, the birthdays, everything was still in the camera, wasn't in the flash disk.
N'abamutuufu ogamba nti mu kaseera byonna we byatuukirawo nti ebintu byonna byali bikyali ku CCTV nga tebinaba kutuula ku flash disk.
Ebisika byonna byonna byali ku flash disk ezo kuba flash disk tozzamu footage kubanga lumu
So it was on the flash disk.
So you are recorded on the flash disk.
Yeah, recorded on the flash disk.
First to fourth of
Where's it?
mwezi wakubiri kubanga lumu mpaka nawe
The first of February.
Which year?
Wakachi,
2019
2019.
Really record this particular event in the flash disk. Because I believe there were camera people who were taking photos at the function. What was so special that made you to record this particular event from the CCTV camera to the flash disk?
Njawulo ki nnyo ekyali mu mukolo guno
Were you suspecting that there was a problem coming after you?
ekyakuleetera okuba nti warikodinga omukolo guno okuva ku CCTV okututeeka ku flash disk? Wali otereeza nti waliwo ekigenda okutuukako oba?
n'omukolo ekyampa azina okubitira ku flash omukolo saayitako bamawulire kuba omukyala gwe nali nina ono omulala eyatulumba yayita mumanyi
What inspired him to put it to the flash disk?
nayita bantu bemanyi bokka bokka bemanyi batasobola
He had called these people to the event with no camera people and both sides.
ate nga saayagala oli omulala amanyi
And the other lady had come in, yet the housewife did not know.
so kati bwe yajja
He didn't want the housewife to know the other lady.
bwe yajja nandika okukwasa yasi emmotoka biki ndabiramu ne zimusala
So when she came, she started vandalizing the car, and in the process, she got bruises and cuts from the wreckage.
n'afuluma ng'akuba endulumbu agenda ku poliisi nga tumusaze
So she went out running, saying that she's going to the police, saying that they had cut her in the incident.
kikyaka okujjamu footage eno tugamba katuggyemu okuva ddala paka kuva wano paka ddala wano
So that's what inspired them to get the footage from the CCTVs to the flash disks.
Okay, in that certificate, is there a camera?
So we search certificate here, what we go get a
In that
camera.
such certificate, is there any camera which was taken by the police?
Single camera in the police there.
tulina tiri olejinini endala kweri
Is it there or it is not there? I just need an answer. Is it there or not there?